Cleaning high ceilings is a daunting task. Domestic vacuum cleaners are not designed to clean fixtures and ceilings, and most buildings are not designed to accommodate cherry pickers, never mind the expense of securing one. Streamline has a solution with a Streamvac internal dusting kit. This system provides high-level, high-efficiency cleaning without weighing you down. The Streamvac offers a robust, tried-and-tested pneumatic design which, when combined with our featherweight ultralight poles, provides a reliable and effortless vacuuming experience. And with a Streamvac not much larger in size than a domestic vacuum, and the poles easily storable in our hold-all carry case, you can add an entirely new cleaning area to your arsenal while taking up very little van space. Talk to Streamline today about whether the Streamvac internal dusting kit is the solution you need.